Welcome to our channel. Let's learn synonym words.
happy,
Joyful,
sad,
unhappy,
big,
large,
small,
tiny,
fast,
quick,
slow,
steady,
hot,
warm,
cold,
chill,
smart,
clever,
funny,
silly,
mean,
unkind,
brave,
bold,
scared,
afraid,
quiet,
silent,
loud,
noisy,
clean,
neat,
dirty,
messy,
bright,
shiny,
dark,
dim,
new,
fresh,
old,
aged,
strong,
tough,
weak,
frail,
soft,
gentle,
hard,
firm,
smooth,
even,
rough,
bumpy,
sweet,
yummy,
sour,
tart,
cute,
adorable,
excited,
thrill,
calm,
peaceful,
busy,
active,
tired,
sleepy,
playful,
lively,
neat,
tidy,
messy,
cluttered,
quick,
speedy,
shiny,
sparkly,
dull,
boring,
huge,
enormous,
mini,
little,
rich,
wealthy,
poor,
needy,
dangerous,
risky,
fun,
amazing,
silly,
goofy,
friendly,
warm,
polite,
courteous,
jumble,
mix up,
rapid,
brisk,
bouncy,
bubbly,
lazy,
idle,
icy,
frosty,
windy,
breezy,
rainy,
drizzly,
sunny,
cherry,
cloudy,
grey,
stormy,
wild,
silky,
smooth,
rocky,
stony,
foggy,
misty,
fearless,
daring,
calm,
relaxed,
dense,
compact,
wide,
broad,
narrow,
slim,
tall,
high,
short,
small,
ancient,
old,
modern,
new,
late,
delayed,
open,
unlocked,
close,
shut,
empty,
bare,
full,
complete,
solid,
hard,
hushed,
quiet,
exciting,
fun,
brainy.
smart. Thanks for watching our video. Like, subscribe.